Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In today's video, I'm going to review the Ayouthveda Oil Control Mattifying Moisturizer. So the price of this is 200 rupees for 60 grams of quantity. The packaging of this product is very simple. It comes in this opaque flip open cap packaging. So this moisturizer is specifically formulated for oily skin. That is why it has a very gel based texture. It gets absorbed very quickly into the skin and it gives a very matte finish to the face. When I saw the ingredient list, the way it was written, it was very similar to most of the Ayurvedic products where they give composition based upon each ml contains this. So it looks like the ingredient list is not complete because they've mentioned just 3-4 things like aloe vera, rose water and coconut oil, and they have not included other ingredients, and they just mentioned preservative used as sodium benzoate. So the ingredient list is not complete, but it does contain green tea, aloe vera, rose water as per this list. The product packaging also claims that this is free from sulfates, parabens, petroleum products, artificial colors, artificial fragrance and silicones as well. Now it's time to check out and read some claims that they have made on their website. The first claim is that it's enriched with rich fractions of some ingredient. I am not sure what exactly is that. I'll write it down in the text box. Anyways, so the first claim is something I did not fully understand. It says it's rich in some ingredient. Second claim is that it balances oil production with effective blend of antibacterial, hydrating and soothing botanicals. Next, they say that this is enriched with naturally derived silicones, boost nutrients absorption. Then it says it's non-greasy, non-irritant formula, therapeutically developed for acne-prone skin, fortified with naturally derived fragrance, shows no allergic reaction on skin and suitable for all skin types. These were a lot of claims. Now, I'll quickly share my thoughts about all of these claims and my experience using this product. This particular product, it does not control oil so much, but it definitely mattifies the skin. So oil controlling factor is not that much. I did not notice much difference while using this moisturizer, but it also does not cause too much of sweating as well. So this is like neutral. It doesn't aggravate sweating, neither it controls oil that much. Another thing is it claims to be silicone free, but they also say that it contains naturally derived silicones, so it is not completely silicone free. On one side they claim to be completely silicone free, on the other hand they say that it contains naturally derived silicones, and I'm sure it does contain silicone because on application it gives a very matte finish and it almost acts like a primer, works very well under the makeup as well. So it's a good moisturizer. This particular product is definitely very non-greasy and non-oily. It does not cause it does not make the skin oily, it doesn't make the skin very greasy, so it does work as a moisturizer for oily skin. This is synthetic fragrance free, but they have added a lot of essential oil as fragrancing component, and the fragrance in this particular moisturizer, it is quite strong. But in spite of having a few essential oils, this product did not irritate my skin, because essential oils, they don't cause any irritation to me, but there are a lot of people who are allergic to some form of essential oil. So if you are that person, then you can skip this product. They also claim that this product would be suitable for all skin types, so I feel it may not moisturize dry skin so much, because it is specially formulated for oily skin, and it has a very lightweight and hydrating sort of formula and not like super rich moisturizer. But this is synthetic fragrance free, but the fragrancing component is a little bit too strong. It has a quite strong fragrance of green tea, as green tea is one of the ingredient in this particular moisturizer. So as a moisturizer, it does moisturize decently for my oily skin. It does not irritate my skin. It does contain essential oil as fragrancing component. does not have full ingredient list. It does work under makeup because it gives a very matte kind of a look. It does not cause me to sweat too much, so as a moisturizer it is pretty decent and I like this product, but I wouldn't be able to recommend this for people with extremely sensitive skin and for people with dry skin. So that is it from my overall review of this product. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel for more such skincare reviews, and you'll find a lot of these videos from the description box below. And that is all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.